guys, we had some epic updates for you on Matt's car, and unfortunately, you can probably hear we got rained out. But quick update on Pop's car. Yeah, what about it? Slogging through, everything's pretty well good. I've still got to run the fan trigger wire, which is this one. And then, but like we got wideband, that's all powered up. And then I figured out after dyeing this, I guess this is an SN95 vent gauge. I have no idea, but I need a Fox body one. Check it out. Yeah. No good. No bueno. But wideband is hooked up and it's all good. I don't know what it's doing here. There's fan is hooked up, or no, I still got to do signal wire, but the fan's all in and good. Just about done with the wiring. Then I gotta clean everything up, put it back together, and get with DIY Auto Tune, start tuning. This thing is sick, boys. I'm just telling you. Let me show you something cool real quick here. So, if you want to change your dash, let's see here. I think I got this. Yeah, alright. So you want to change your dash, how it looks, okay? Check this out. We're going to go... Bear with me here. There it is. Alright, so say I want Terminator. And boom! How about that? Boost. Oil, temp, fuel. Yeah, I don't give a damn. That's freaking cool. I have a lot of fun playing with this. You need to check these guys out because this dash is absolutely insane. But other than that, I think we're good to go. But yeah, guys, that is the what. Suspension and everything mechanical under the hood is done other than topping off the coolant. Fans wired up, all that. So Pop's car is good to go. Ready to get it tuned, get it out of here, because we've got to get back on the Rat Rod Coyote swap. And Dover picked up a little something from HPR. How about that Cobra Jet? That thing is sick. I like the Boss intakes, but I'm telling you, the Cobra Jet intake is just where it's at. Don't hate me. That's just my opinion. But we got to get out to the house. Got a couple updates on my car. I made a few fixes. I think everything's good, but we got to go make sure. So let's go. God, it's still freaking raining. Yeah, we're gonna. Hopefully this rain tapers off by the time we get to the house. Or maybe it's not raining. It's funny. I'm about 30 minutes from the shop. This is where I live, and like, it'll be raining out here and not raining at the house. So maybe we'll get lucky and it's freaking dry. Rain sucks. But anyway, let's get back to the house. All right, boys, back at the house. We got to get the monster out. I hope y'all are ready. We'll talk about that in a minute. Working stuff with the vacuum, which was kind of a pain in the butt, but got everything figured out. Air was working great. Freaking excited. The Fathead AC kit, the hidden AC kit, is amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that for the record. It's 95 today. I ain't riding without AC. I don't care how much power this thing makes. Remember a while back I had an issue with my fuel line in my front passenger fender liner. Well, I think I figured it out. Yeah. Pull over here and I'll show you. Hopefully I didn't do it again. I'm praying I didn't do it again. Back there, but see this? Yeah, it has once again, see that? Yeah. Oh man, not good, not good at all. Look at the wires. See why you don't ride around stupid low? So, I was kind of glad I figured it out, but I didn't realize it was that bad. Once we get back to the house, I'll tell you, but this is not good. It appears to have been rubbing on some of my control pack wiring. Love custom stuff, huh? Love custom mods. Welcome to custom mod life. Freaking unreal. Absolutely unreal. My God. Brand new, guys. You see, it already did the back, and we just put it back in. I mean, what can you do? There's no strut towers. Turn some light on here. See, there's no strut towers, so your fender liner is not gonna just go in there, you know. So we heated and kind of form fitted it. I mean, look at this. Everything was tied up, loomed up, nice, hidden away. That's my AC kit, by the way. And yeah, bad. No good. Oh man. See, everything was tied up there, and I guess this thing ripping just pulled the dang on wires down. You can see where they were rubbing. The good thing is, see, my PCM's hidden right there. Good thing is it didn't get into that. But man, what a mess. If you guys know anybody that makes like custom fender liners, that would be great. Because like I said, you already saw what it did to the back. Luckily, we're not leaking anywhere. Everything's good. We fixed all that. The other problem is these coilovers are up as high as they go, and the only way I can raise the car up anymore is to order an 800-pound spring from Ride Tech. I guess just having the Whipple and, you know, all this weight on the front, I cannot raise it up anymore. Custom stuff, baby. Well, there we are, boys. All you can do is laugh, you know. For some reason, it's just this side. And what I'm pretty sure is happening is when I'm turning at full lock, trying to get down out of my driveway, and the suspension's fully compressed at full lock, it's eating up that fender liner. And really the only way to fix all that is to raise the car up. I mean, these are only 26s. They're not stupid tall. They're not even wide. God bless if I had a 8, 9-inch wheel up front. But I am going to give you a teaser of things to come, because I promised I'd show you guys. Just a teaser. This little bit we got working here. Yeah. Just a little bit of what we got in the works. See that 6? Oops, sorry. Yeah. Alright, boys, that is pretty much going to wrap it up. I'm going to sweat my ass off out here, figure out how to get this thing up in there so it'll stay enough that I can get it out to the shop, we can get it on the lift and figure something out. There's really no good answer for it. Like I said, the fender liners don't fit because there's no strut tower. So I made this problem, you know. I did it. I know there's a solution. I'm not really sure what it is, but gonna have to figure it out because I can't run around without ender fender liners, especially when we've got all the wires and everything tucked and hidden up in there. Custom cars, boys. Gotta love them. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.